Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you the most common reason why your V-brakes are gonna be seizing on you and being stuck and not working. So look over here, I have a V-brakes on this mountain bike. You see, I have a bit of rust over here, I have a bit rust over here. So guess what happened here? The bike was left outside and the moisture and the water got in right here in this aluminum part. And I'll let you see what happened. If you look over here, see what happened? The inner cable basically got rusty and seized right here. I'll let you see what I'm talking about. Now this is the part where I cut it. And so from here to here is from here to here. So this is the part that basically got rusted out. You see, it's about 2 inches over here. So again, to prevent this, leave your bike indoors. Don't let the moisture and the water get on it and start rusting and you producing this corrosion. And I'm gonna apply the brakes over here just to show you that now everything works the way it should. I put a brand new cable in there, everything works, and I'm gonna include the video how to replace the cable on the V-brakes, so you can do this without paying the bike shop. But again, here you go, here is the old cable, ready to be thrown out, and that's the part where it froze, which is right here. So first thing, buy the $5 cable, replace it, and you're good to go. Then I'm gonna have a link in the description where you can buy all this inner cable and outer cable, as well as this one, and you can go from there. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.